Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how many galaxies are out there? What secrets do they hold? From swirling spiral arms to mysterious dark matter, galaxies are the massive islands of stars that shape our universe. But what if I told you we have barely scratched the surface of understanding them? This is the Universe Factory. If you are fascinated by the cosmos and everything that exists in our universe, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the vast and wondrous world of galaxies. I am starting this new series where we will talk about fascinating world of some notable galaxies in the cosmos. Whether you are an astrophysics enthusiast or just curious about space, this new playlist will take you on an epic journey, exploring everything from the galaxies next door to the ones at the very edge of the observable universe. So buckle up and let's explore the infinite. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and press that bell icon before we begin. And follow us on social media for updates and cosmic discoveries. Links are mentioned down in the description, make sure to check out. Now let's start with the basics. Almost everyone here must be aware of what exactly the galaxies are. The galaxies are massive systems bound by gravity, containing stars, planets, dust, gas, and intriguingly dark matter. Our very own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of potentially 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Imagine that 2 trillion. The number itself is mind-boggling. But here is the thing. Despite how far we have come in studying galaxies, each one still holds countless mysteries. Some of the galaxies are so far away that the light we are seeing from them today was emitted billions of years ago. It's like looking back in time. Now the galaxies come in all shapes and sizes. You may have heard of the famous spiral galaxy like our Milky Way. But did you know that there are elliptical and irregular galaxies too? The spiral galaxies are perhaps the most beautiful with their iconic swirling arms. Some famous examples of spiral galaxies are Milky Way, Andromeda galaxy, and the Pinwheel galaxy. The elliptical galaxies, on the other hand, are more egg-shaped and have less star formation activity. Some infamous elliptical galaxies are NGC 4697, M59 or NGC 4621, M87 or NGC 4486, whose supermassive black hole was the first black hole to be imaged by the Event Horizon Telescope. The irregular galaxies look a little chaotic, often distorted by collisions or the influence of nearby galaxies. Some well-known irregular galaxies are IC 4710, IC 3583, PGC 16389. But what causes these different shapes? The galaxy's collision is one reason why there is a wide variety of shapes of galaxies. Another reason, which is the most important driver of galaxy shape variety, is the galaxies evolve as gravity turns gas and dust into the stars. Now the galaxies aren't just collections of stars, they are dynamic evolving systems. Galaxies can collide and merge, sometimes forming supermassive galaxies. And there lies a supermassive black hole at the center of most galaxies that can weigh millions or even billions of times more than our Sun. Then there is a question of dark matter, an invisible substance that makes up most of the mass in galaxies. We cannot see the dark matter directly, but we know it is there because of its gravitational effects. Galaxies form out of immense clouds of gas that collapse and rotate. As they evolve, stars form within them. The entire galaxies can collide, changing their appearance. Looking deep into space, we see galaxies at earlier stages in their lives and learn more about their evolution. This is just the beginning. If you are as fascinated by the cosmos as I am, don't miss out on what is coming. In the upcoming videos, we'll be diving into famous galaxies like Andromeda and the Magellanic Clouds, uncovering how galaxies interact and discussing the role they play in shaping the universe. So if you are ready to journey through the time and space, hit that subscribe button and press that bell notification icon. Like and share this video with everyone and let them be the part of our beautiful community of stargazers. In the next video in this series, we'll be zooming in our own galactic neighbor Andromeda, the future collision partner of the Milky Way. Want to know when it will happen and what it means for us? Stay tuned to find out. As of now, watch these videos in the suggestion. I'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.